Take me from this place inside my mind I want to feel again. Take me to the dreams where we will dance and we will sing. Leave me something to hold on to where I can find myself. Show me where I've been and where you've gone and where I'll go. Oh.
Hey guys, we are Tego. Welcome back to our channel. My name is Annie and today I'm here to talk to you guys about my get ready usual, and today I have a free day, so it's gonna be a free day, fun day kind of theme for this video. And this is also one of the few times I've talked English in our videos, so I hope you guys really enjoy this. And if you want me to film more video speaking English, then just comment down below so that we can know. First off, I'm gonna start with my foundation. Oh, this is dirty. This is the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Invisible Cover Foundation. I got this in an event and luckily that I got my shade. So I use this much. Next, I'm gonna dab this all over my face. Next, we're gonna blend it. I have this technique beauty blender. I love it. I just love it so much. Today, I think that I'm going to go with like a rosy makeup tutorial. Doesn't really go well with my dress because I'm wearing burnt orange today, so probably switch it to a little bit of orange. You can see that my eye bags are very dark right now. I don't have enough sleep. Also, this is the thing that happens to most of us, right? And I also have some genetic problems with my eye bags, so they are very dark. So next I'm gonna cover this with the tip concealer I got in the shade 1.5, but this is a little bit too light for me. I love doing these makeup tutorials. So, not makeup tutorials, by the way. This is a disclaimer that I'm not a makeup artist and I don't know what to do with my face. I just do it with my instinct. So I hope you like it. I'm not very good at it. I don't use makeup. I don't even know how to draw an eyeliner. That's really shitty, right? When you're a girl, you don't know how to draw an eyeliner, but let me just tell you that it's okay. It's gonna be okay in the end. I'm gonna put some mascara instead. It's gonna be okay. Now that I have my eyebrows done, I'm gonna go with probably my eye palette. I don't use eyeshadows that much. I'm gonna go with probably this shade, this orange shade right here, and tap it all over my eyelid. As I told you, I don't really know what to do with my eyeshadow. But you know, we all have the free day, fun day, we do whatever we want. So today I'm gonna just experience new things because usually when I have free day, I just oversleep at home. And today I'm quite tired with it because I've left too much. I don't know if this video is gonna be long. It's free day, right? We have spare time, we have a lot of time to spend on ourselves, and you know, honestly, I think we all should go out alone on some days to spend time with yourself and be recharged. Quite all over the places. However, I don't hate it like I thought I would. Sorry with my hair if I keep messing it up because my hair is very curly at the moment. It's all over the places. However, I think I like it. Usually you need to curl your lashes first, right? But I forgot to bring it here, so just go with it. Who cares? It's all day. Alright? Okay, I think we're done with the mascara. not much of a difference. I really like it on the outside. So next, I'm gonna set my face with a powder, and I will go in with the blush and the highlighter next. We're good. So next, I'm gonna use this Too Faced Love Blush in the shade How Deep Is Your Love? How deep is your love? A lot of blush doesn't hurt anyone. Oh, I forgot to blend it in with my highlighter. I just used this drugstore ELF highlighter in the shade Moonlight Pearl. Love it. A little bit on a cupid bun. So next, I'm gonna go with the final step of us. This is the Innisfree Velvet Cotton Ink in the shade 10. Oh, but I love the shade. Like coral is good. A little bit red, a little bit of pink, a little bit of orange. Perfect. Love it. So here, we're done.
I wanna see the same forever. It won't be like the movie, just a little bit better. I know. We can't predict the weather, but we need to keep this thing together, girl.
I hope you guys like my free day, fun day, get ready with me. Today I go with a little bit overwhelming with my face. I don't usually do this all the time, but this is the day of us, you know. We all have to take ourselves on a date, and today is my date alone. So gonna get myself some of the good clothes on. I love this. This is a burnt orange dress, and I love it. And I pair it with some of my white t-shirts. It looks perfect. Look at this. I hope you guys liked this video. So give us a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe our channel. We are Tego to get more of the video clips of us about the fashion related contents and also some of these too. So bye.
But I'm trying to keep this thing together, girl. Cause I'm trying to see this thing forever. Yeah, I'm trying to see this thing forever.